Hello everyone, my name is Shashank. I am final year student, uh, Department of Civil Engineering from PSIT College of Engineering, Kanpur. This is my final assessment of design and analysis of tall building. In this video, I am going to design and analyze of the seismic load on tall building. So let us start. Click on define menu, click on load pattern, type as seismic and load type as seismic. Click here IS 1892-2002. Click here add new load and click here modify lateral load. Only select X and Y direction. X direction and Y direction with eccentricity is a special case. For define per load and response reduction factor, importance factor, site type, I will select IS score. I am designing the building in Bangalore, for Bangalore. So it has zone second and zone factor, and zone factor has 0.10, and soil type has type 2 medium soil, and building as it has residential building, so importance factor is 1, and response reduction factor, so this building has ordinary reinforcement concrete, its response reduction factor is 3. So let us edit this value. Select as 0.1, soil type second, importance factor 1, and reduction 3, response reduction 3. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now click on Analyze menu and click on Set Load Cases. There is no need for wind load during the analysis of the seismic load. Select the wind load and click on Run Do Not Run case and click on Run Now. It will take some time. It will take some time. From left to bottom corner, this is a progress of analysis. Now right click on any point. This is a displacement value in mm. Now click on design menu, click on concrete frame design and set as view revise references, and design code has IS456 which has already mentioned. Click on OK. Now click on again design menu and select as concrete frame design and start design check. Right click on any point, it gives that this longitudinal reinforcement IS456 the 2000 current rule IS456 2000. Now from here I can check as a load assign and various forces, which is fire, cell stresses, forces, etc. Suppose I want to see a tutu, click on see a tutu, OK, apply OK. This is a CA22 diagram. Now from here report, I can generate as a report. Project report, summary report, click on summary report. It will take some time, so it will generating summary report. This is a summary report. Now I am going to define seismic load from the response spectrum method. By the response spectrum method. So before defining the load, I will unlock this because I have already analysis this. So click on unlock, click on OK. Now click on define menu, click on load pattern. Now here seismic load as defined already, click on OK. If not defined, then define it. Click on define menu, click on function and click on response spectrum. And click on IS 1893-2002. Click on add new function. Name the function response spectrum. Seismic factor 0.1. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now click on option menu. Click on display unit and see the unit of acceleration. It has mm per second square. Click on OK. Click on load case. Go on the find menu and click on load case. Click on seismic. Click on modify showcase. Here click as response spectrum. Or here click as add new cases. It has only 5 limit. Click on Modify Showcase. Click here, Response Spectrum. Click here, Response Spectrum. Click here, Add. It has acceleration, UN, and function type, response spectrum. It has value 33, sorry 16, 33.5 from I into Z beta 2R. Again click on add. It has U2 for Y direction. It response spectrum factor. It also has 16, 33.5. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now click on Analysis, Analyze menu. Set load case. There is no need for dead load and live load during the run and analysis of response spectrum. So click on Run Do Not and click on Run Now. It will take some time. From left bottom corner we can see there is a progress of analyzing. Now analysis has been complete. Now analysis has been completed. Click on any point, right click and see the displacement value. Click on any point and see the displacement value. And again click on design menu. Click on concrete frame design. So it is view revised preferences. It has already mentioned IS 456 2000. Click on OK. Again click on design menu, concrete frame, start design check. Design check. It will take some time while checking. Click on yes. It will automatically select the dimension of column and beam, which have already mentioned auto select. It will take some time. Now it has been start and check has been completed. It has been completed. Now right click on any point of view. I can see reinforcement longitudinal reinforcement detail. Now from display menu I can see shear force diagram and bending moment diagram, cell stresses and forces, energy visual diagram, etc. And from here a report menu I can generate report, summary report and project report. While generating summary report it will take some time since it is a evaluation version, so it cannot be printed. This is a summary report. So now again I am going to design an analysis of seismic load with help of time history analysis method. Click on unlock. I have already unlocked this and click on define menu. Select as load pattern. Here time seismic load as modify lateral load. Set only x direction and just once it has already mentioned. Click on OK. Click on OK. Now go on define menu. Again select a function, time history, choose from file. Click on add new function, function name time history. File name, Click on fixed format. Click on view file. Click change 9, change 01. Click on OK. Click on OK to exit. Now go on define menu and select as load case. Click on add new case. Click as time history. Load case, time history. Click on add. Load type, acceleration function. Scale factor as from Ig by 2R 1633.5. It will be only UN since it has only X direction. Click on OK. Click on OK to exit. Now go and analyze menu. Select as set load case to do. There is no need to dead and live load during the analysis of time history function. So click on dead load, live load as a run do not case. Click on time history, click on run now. It will take some time. From left corner bottom, this is the progress of analysis. Analysis has been completed. From here, I can see event save mode. Now click on design menu. Return concrete frame design. View revise preferences. As for 2000 already has been defined, click on OK. Click on concrete frame design again. Click on start design check. It will take some time. Time analysis function has been defined. This is the load. This is a longitudinal reinforcement. From display menu, you can find force, stress diagram, support spring reaction, frame, cell stresses, forces, etc. From here, report, I can generate project report, summary report. It It will take some time. Summary report has been generated. This is the summary report. From here you can see detail of the reinforcement and dimension, area of beam column, size, etc. Now this has been completed. Seismic analysis of building. Thank you.